Sometimes you may find that your resin is still a bit sticky after being under the UV light for a required length of time. You might remove it from the mould to find it's still slightly tacky to touch. This is known as oxygen inhibition. A way to solve this problem is to cure your resin piece underwater, and I'm going to show you how to do this. It's all quite simple. You need a shallow container of water, just ordinary tap water will do, and you pop your pieces into the water so they are covered. And then I'm going to use my UV torch with this. I will show you with the light as well. I just find the torch works quite well. Just a few seconds, a minute maybe. And now I'm going to show you with the light. I use the Let's Resin double light that splits into two, so I'm able to put just one half over the bowl and turn that one on, and that's curing the pieces underwater. Okay, they should be done now. So you simply remove them from the water. And dry them off. And you should find then, 9 times out of 10, this does solve the problem. If your pieces were still tacky, you could repeat the process and have them under the light for a bit longer underwater. And the other option would be to dry them off completely and then try another layer of resin over the top, and then cure that as you would normally do so under your light. And that really should cure the problem, cure the resin and cure the problem. Yes, that's done the job for these. They seem absolutely perfect now. There's no stickiness, no tackiness, all done.